See children, today we will continue with the same chapter fractions, but I will give you some exercise problems for descending order, right? Okay. First one, rearrange in descending order. See this fraction, which type of fraction is this? It is what? All the numerators are same only. What we want to do? We need to consider what? Denominators only. The denominator with the greater value is the smallest fraction, right? Here we need to arrange in descending order. So, which one is bigger? The numerator with the denominator with the smaller number is the greatest fraction. So, I will write it here. Greatest fraction is, descending order is you tell me, and which one only we need to write first? The denominator with this smaller one is greatest fraction only. Which one only smaller here? 14. 10 by 14. After that, which one only greater, smaller? And 10 by 15. After that what? 14, 15, then what? 20, right? 10 by 20. After that 10 by 22. After that 10 by 35. Is it clear? All the numerators are same. In that case we need to consider denominators only. And denominator with the smallest value is the greatest fraction. So we need to arrange like this. For the descending order we need to arrange from bigger to smaller only, right? And the next one is like fraction only. It is very easy for you, and we need to consider only numerators. The numerator with the greater value is the greatest fraction. Which are only having greater value? Descending order is what? Tell me. Which one we need to write it first? 15 by 19. Next one is what? 11 by 19. Then 10 by 19. Then 9 by 19. After that 8 by 19. Okay. Is it clear? Then we will move to the next one. That is 2 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 2, 5 by 6. It is not easy like that. We need to convert first to like fractions. After that only we can compare. How can we convert into like fractions? I teach you, right? First we need to take LCM. Same like ascending order. LCM equals what? 3 into 1. 5 into 1. 2 into 1. 6, 2 into 3. And we need to make it as group. Common in 2. And 3 is also common in 2. So we need to make it as one group. And 1 is also common in 4. That also we can make one group like this. Okay. And LCM is what? LCM. First we need to write the group numbers, right? 2 into 3 into 1. And balance is what? 1 is standing alone, that is 5. And we need to multiply that also for the LCM. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. After that I need to, now I got LCM 30. Then I need to take each and every fraction we need to change to LCM. 3 into 10, 2 into 10, that is 20 by 30. Then 1 by 5, 5 into 6. Then 1 into 6, 6 by 30. Then 1 by 2, 2 into 15. Then 1 into 15, that is 15 by 30. After that I will rub all this. Then the next one is last fraction, that is 5 by 6. 6 into 5. Then 5 into 5. That is 25 by 30. After that I need to arrange in descending order from bigger to smaller. Descending order is what? First I need to write which number? Which number first? 5 by 6 first. Bigger one. Then 20 by 30, that is 2 by 3. Then 15 by, that is 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. Is it clear? And the next one. And 1 by 8, 5 by 12, 2 by 6, 3 by 4. LCM is what? LCM equals 8 equals 2 into 2 into 1. And 12 equals 3 into 1. And 6 equals 2 into 3 into 1. 4 equals 2 into 2 into 1. All the 2's in one group and 2 is in 3, that is one group, and here 3, and balance is 2, and the LCM is what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12, 12 2's are 24, right? LCM is 24. After that I need to change all the denominators into LCM. 1 by 8 equals 8 into 3 and 1 into 3, that is 3 by 24. Then 5 by 12. 12 into 2, 5 into 2, that is 10 by 24. Then 2 by 6, 6 into 4, then 2 into 4, that is 8 by 24. Okay, after that last one, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 equals 4 into 6, then 3 into 6, that is 18 by 24. Then descending order is what? Descending order. Order is, tell me, the first one is 18 by 24 is the bigger one, right? So 3 by 4. Next one is 10 by 24, that is 5 by 12. Then after that 8 by 24, that is 2 by 6. And last one is 1 by 8. Okay, clear children? Then the next one is 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 5 by 6, 3 by 4. And 2 by 3 equals, and LCM is what? First we need to find the LCM. LCM equals 3. 3 into 1, 5. 5 into 1, 6 equals 2 into 3 into 1. And 4 equals 2 into 2 into 1. Okay. And LCM is what? 2 and 2 in one group. And 3 and 3 in one group. Okay. And LCM is 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 1. Okay, and 2 3's are 6, 6 5's are 30, 30 2's are 60. Okay, and 2 by LCM equals 60. 2 by 3 equals 3 into 20 equals 60. 2 into 20, that is 40 by 60. And next one, 3 by 5. 5 into 12 and 3 into 12, that is 36 by 60. And 5 by 6, 3 by 5 we finish. 5 by 6, 6 into 10, then 5 into 10, that is 50 by 60. Then 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 into 15, 3 into 15, that is 45 by 60. 45 by 60, right? Then descending order is what? Tell me, the descending order is what? First we need to write 50 by 60, that is for 5 by 6. Then 45 by, that is 3 by 4. Then 40 by, that is 2 by 3. Then 3 by 5. Okay. Then the next one. Next one is 4, 3, 8, 9, 12. And this one is also homework, right? Okay, this one is homework. Can you do it at home? Okay, I'll give this one as homework and this one as homework and this also. Okay, 3 homeworks children, you need to do it at home. Okay.